Hi, I'm Senator Brian Frosh, and I'm running to be Maryland's next Attorney General. I've listened to people all across the state, and no matter where they live, people want the same things. They want equal rights and equal opportunity. They want clean air to breathe and clean water to drink. People want the law to protect them from financial scams and frauds. But above all, people want to feel safe in their homes and in their neighborhoods. They want their children to be safe at school and online. I've been working on these issues my entire career, from my time as a young lawyer to my work as chair of the Senate Judicial Proceedings Committee. It's been my life's work because I have a passion for justice, to put the law on the side of people. You'll see from my record that I have the ability to get things done and pass laws that make a difference in the lives of all Marylanders. I'm the author of laws that ban oil drilling in the Chesapeake Bay and crack down on polluters. I've stood up for victims of domestic violence by making it easier to get a protective order and making protective orders more effective. I've worked to protect Marylanders from identity theft and give law enforcement tools to crack down on cybercrime, and I've worked to prevent child abuse before it happens, but also to make sure it's prosecuted when it does. But if you want to know what I'm proudest of, and what I think is the best indicator of what I'll do as Attorney General, it's my work to reduce gun violence and to get guns off our streets. Last year, I was the leader in the Senate and the author of key provisions of Maryland's landmark Firearm Safety Act. This law will save lives. It bans assault weapons. It outlaws the type of high-capacity magazines we've seen in too many mass shootings. It cracks down on straw purchasers that criminals use to get guns, and it gives the Attorney General and the state police authority over gun dealers, so when they illegally sell guns to criminals, we can put them out of business. But in order for the Firearm Safety Act to work, we need an Attorney General who will stand up to the NRA, who will defend this law in court, and one who will work with police officers and prosecutors across the state to enforce it effectively. I'm the candidate best qualified to do that, not just on the issue of gun safety, but on the wide range of issues that the Attorney General faces. This is the job I have prepared for as chairman of the Judicial Proceedings Committee and as a lawyer with more than 35 years of experience practicing law right here in Maryland. As Attorney General, I'll fight to ensure that every kid in our state gets a great education. That's why the Maryland State Education Association, the teachers, have endorsed me. I'll protect the Chesapeake Bay and Maryland's natural resources. That's why the Maryland League of Conservation Voters and the Sierra Club have endorsed me. I'll stand up for consumers and for working families. That's why the AFL-CIO and the SEIU have endorsed me. I'll protect victims of domestic violence, ensure that Marylanders are treated equally and fairly, and ensure that women are allowed to make their own health care decisions. That's why Maryland Now and Equality Maryland have endorsed me. And the two people who know best what it takes to be Attorney General, our former Attorneys General, Steve Sachs and Joe Curran, have endorsed me because they know I'll be the people's lawyer. I'm Brian Frosh. I'd be honored to have your support as well. Thank you very much.